So in this video we are going to check if the user is following each other. So what we are going to do is, first of all, we are going to get the authenticated user, which we can find up here. Copy and paste that in here. And then we want to find the user. We're going to be equal to user find ID. And then we want to say if, and we want to use basically this simple function here, following each other. So we want to check if authenticated user are followed user, like this. And then we want to go in and basically return a response with some JSON. And in the scenario it doesn't exist, we want to return a response with some JSON. And what we want to return is, we want to return if the user are following each other. So we can just do that by saying an array like this, and then we want to say, basically we want to copy and paste this in here. So we can just go in and actually put this in data, and then we want to say, we can actually just put data like this, and in here we just want to return the user. We want to say errors root. Then we want to say you are not following each other, or you gave the wrong user ID. So what we want to do here as well is we want to just check in if followed user is actually exists, if it exists, and then we know if this comes with a root error here. We want to also say error true in this scenario, because we want to just be able to detect if this for some reason didn't work. Or actually we want to go and do that like this. Yeah, so we actually want to put this in again in two ones here. So we can go in here and say if, remove the that, then go in, remove here, go down here, then we want to return an else statement, and we can also remove this one here, and we want to remove this one, and then we just want to say data gonna be equal to this one up here. So we just give the same data up here, and actually that's all for this video. See you in the next one.